Can you show me what you have in your pocket? Huh? What is that?
iPad.
It's your iPad?
Yeah.
How do you use it? So what do you do? Show me how you type.
Type.
You type? And then what do you do with it?
Close it.
You close it?
I put it in my pocket.
You put it in your pocket. Well, that's pretty cool. What else you got in your pocket?
Marbles.
What?
Marbles.
Marbles? Show me the marble.
Oh.
Oh, you got a marble. What else you got in your pocket? Marble. Okay.
That's what we got.
Hmm?
Marbles?
Marble. How many marbles do you have?
Very big.
One. How many more do you have?
Okay.
Do you have more marbles?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that a different marble or the same marble? How many more marbles you got? You got another one in there? No, get your marble out of your pocket. Let me see.
No.
Oh, you only have one.
Okay.
You only have one?
No.
No? You got more?
Yeah.
Okay, now let me have another marble.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, there's two more marbles. Okay, how many more marbles you got? Two more marbles. All right, let's see, how many more? It's like a clown car. You got more marbles?
Yeah.
Yeah. How big is your pocket? Okay, there was one more. How many more marbles you got? Okay, is that everything? Is that all your marbles? Let me
No. All gone.
All gone?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have everything.
Yeah, you have everything?
See, all gone.
All gone. And what's that?
My iPad.
Your iPad?
Yeah. I have one.
Okay, here. You want your marbles back?
Me too.
You're welcome. Gonna put them back in your pocket? Okay.
You guys.
One at a time. You will drop them.
Kill it.
Yeah, put it in my hand. I'll hold your iPad. Oops.
They do.
You're welcome. Get
Yeah.
get your iPad put away too?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can show you.
You can't show me? Everything's in your pocket?
Busy.
Everything's all put away? Okay. You have to type on it again?
No. Okay, put it back.
Okay, put it back. Good job.
Did